Welcome to Milo Kids Learning Stories. Wow, what a beautiful day.
It is, sweetie. The park is magical today.
Let's go play. Yay, let's go to the park.
We're almost there, buddy.
I can't wait for the picnic.
Wow, look at all the butterflies.
They're so pretty.
All right, let's set up our picnic right here. Today, we are learning alphabet letters, Milo.
I'm ready.
Look what I have.
Wow, letters. So many colors.
We are starting from letter A. This is letter A. Milo, pick the letter A. No, that is not A. That is not an A.
I can't see.
It's okay, sweetie. Try again.
Okay, I can do it.
That's right. It is A.
Yay!
Good job, Milo.
Now we are learning the letter B.
The letter B.
This is letter B. Now it's your turn, Milo. That is not B.
I'll try again.
That is not B.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, Milo. Try again.
Yes, it's B.
Very good, Milo.
We learned two letters, A and B. Very good, Milo.